all. Salam means peace. Assalamu alaikum means peace be upon you. Today is a special day in Islam. It is called Miladun Nabi, which means the birthday of our Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him.
The Holy Prophet was born on the 12th day of the Arabic month, which is called Rabiul Awwal, in the year 570 AD or Common Era. According to the lunar calendar, it falls on 28th of October this year.
Göllerde hasretin var, yürekler aşkınla çarpar. Sensiz dünya bizlere dar. Selam sana ey kutlu yar.
Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, was born to Abdullah and Amina in the year 570 of Common Era in the city of Mecca in Saudi Arabia. Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, was orphaned when young.
Ya Habibi ya Muhammad ya Nabi salam alayka ya Rasul salam alayka ya Habib salam alayka salawatullah alayka.
His father died some months before his birth and his mother Amina died when he was 6. Later he was taken care by his paternal grandfather Abdul Muttalib, who died when Muhammad, peace be upon him, was 8, leaving him in the care of uncle Abu Talib. Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, spent the first 5 years of his life with his foster mother Halima.
तेरी मोहब्बत की महक से ये ज़मीन व आसमां आबाद है रहमत की बरसात आती है दिलो जान.
God sent 2 angels who opened his chest, took out his heart, washed it with Zamzam water, which comes out of a spring in a holy city of Mecca. God purified the prophet and protected him from sin.
يا ختام المرسلين يا حبيبي يا محمد.
Actually, celebrating birthdays is not encouraged or a common practice in Islam. There is a reason behind it, as it was never celebrated by our holy prophet in his lifetime. And the followers of Islam do not make a big celebration out of this day, as the day of death of our beloved prophet coincide with his birthday. We try to be modest on this day, offer prayers and pray for our holy prophet and the entire mankind and follow his teachings. One set of his main teachings were forming the main and basic principles of Islam. 1. There is one God. 2. The Prophet Muhammad is the messenger of God. 3. Namaz, which is the prayer and had to be offered compulsorily and regularly 5 times a day. 4. Roza or fasting, which is mandatory for Muslims during the entire month of Ramzan. 5. Zakat, compulsory donation of 2.5% of annual savings from every individual to the poor. 6. Performing Hajj once in a lifetime.
يا نبي سلام عليك يا رسول سلام عليك يا حبيب سلام عليك.
Overall, the messages of Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, was to spread peace and love in the name of God the Almighty. He said, it's forbidden to eat without sharing when your neighbor is hungry and is in need of help, irrespective of his religion. Every day and especially today, we remember him, share and follow his messages. We send salam to his soul, which is translated as peace in English and Shanti in Sanskrit. Today, while we are going through toughest times, the whole world is suffering from the global pandemic and various natural calamities. Irrespective of religion, let's come together, pray to Almighty to safeguard the entire mankind and restore peace and safety on this heavenly and the only planet.